Hi viewers, this is the second video of Einstein theory of specific heat. So first video is a part 1 and the second video is a part 2. But first video we have calculated CV formula, that is the specific heat formula. Now what I am doing, I am going to apply cases at higher temperature and as well as at a lower temperature. What is the relation between specific heat at constant volume and temperature? So how does it changes specific heat? How does it changes with respect to temperature? So that is I am going to explain in this case, and it is a part 2 video. And now see 3 and kV. It is at higher temperature 3 and kV. Theta E by T whole square e to the power theta E by T by e to the power theta E by T minus 1 square. This is the equation, and in that video I didn't write these terms in terms of theta, so please write them in terms of theta also. Up to here only I have written in terms of theta. Now see here, it is the equation. For this equation, now what I am going to apply temperature formula. So at higher temperature means theta, T must be greater than theta E. What is the theta E? Theta E is the temperature, Einstein temperature. It is applied temperature, right? So like this. And when it is a high, when temperature, applied temperature is high, then what is the equation? What is the formula for Cv? And now see here, I am going to write first this one. X, we know e power x is 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus 4 by 4 factorial plus 1. This is the equation, expansion of e power x. In the same manner, I am going to use this one or this one. See here. E to the power theta E by T is what? 1 plus theta E by T plus theta E by T square 2 factorial plus so on. No need to write more. Okay, so this is. And now see, T is high. When temperature is high, then its term will be low, right? When temperature is high, suppose for example 3 by 2, its value is 1.5. 3 by 4, when the denominator term is increasing, you cannot get 1.5. You cannot get. That means how much we get? 4 around 0.34 7 0.7. See, when the denominator term is increasing, then their value decreasing. So its term is generally theta E by T is somewhat low. But here what are you doing? Here you are squaring and again you are dividing. Then what happens? Its value is very much low. So what I am doing, I am going to neglect. By using this, I can conclude that I am going to neglect the higher power terms. Okay, so neglecting higher power terms. Neglecting higher power terms, and what we have to do? We have to write. See here, what we have to do? We have to write e to the power theta E by T is equals to 1 plus theta E by T. I am going to write up here only, and the remaining term what I am doing? I am going to neglect it. Okay, they will be vanished. Okay, now on both sides subtract 1. E power theta E by T is equals to minus 1 is equals to 1 plus theta E by T minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. Theta E by T. See, this is a theta E by T. So we got this value as a theta E. So that means in the place of this bracket, what we have to do? We have to substitute theta E by T terms only. Okay. So in this place, but here what we have to do? See, this is I am going to take e power theta E by T can be written as this formula, right? So this formula. Now let me write once again that formula. Okay, so if you write like this, then I am going to say this one only. Already I have written this term, this value here. So this value you have to substitute here only. Here what we have to do, that is I am going to explain. Okay, so this term just now I explained. When temperature is very much high in denominator, when the term in denominator is very much high, then the result will be low. Okay, so this value is somewhat less. So if you add the smaller value to the one, then nothing will change. So no change will occur. So that is I am going to explain. Okay, so when the smaller value, if we add to the one, then one cannot changes. It cannot changes more. Okay, no changes will occur. So that is what I am doing. I am going to write this term as approximately equal to 1. That is things what I am going to say. Okay, e power theta E by T we can write this one, but this term is according to when the temperature is high, this term will be low. Lower term, if we add to the one, then no more changes will occur, and finally we write this is as this one. So where is this term is there? They write 1. Where the e power this term is there? They write this one. Okay. So in the place of this, substitute this value. In the place of this, simply write 1. Now what happens here? Now I am going to erase. Right? CV is equals 3 and KB theta E. No need to change this term, but exponential terms only we have to change. Yes, written in the place of this what? 1 according to this. In the place of this bracket, this term we have to write theta E by T, but what we have? Square term and this term same, and it is in denominator, it is in numerator, then these two things gets cancelled. And now what is the remaining term? See here, a remaining term is CV is equals 3 and KB, and N is what? Number of oscillators. Suppose if you consider number of oscillator as Avogadro number, so that means N as an A, right? That is also number, but it is a fixed number, right? So if you take this as a fixed number, that is already we know Avogadro number is around 6.6023 into 10 power 23 oscillators. That is we call mole also, right? Substitute here. CV is equals 3 and A KB, 3 and A KB, and this NA KB is simply R, right? So here the same term, same term we got in Dulong-Petit law. Dulong-Petit law can explain successfully at higher temperature. What value we got there, the same value we got here. That means what Dulong-Petit law explained, that is right, at higher temperature only, at high temperature only. But Dulong-Petit law couldn't explain about lower temperature or low temperature, so that is a failed. It couldn't explain anything on it, but it explains somewhat, which Einstein, right? Einstein explained somewhat. What it explained, let me see. Okay, so NKB is R, where R is called universal gas constant. R is called universal gas constant. And Cv here independent on temperature. It cannot depend on temperature. It is independent. Okay. So this at high temperature. Next at low temperature. Case 2. Right? Now see the case 2. What is the case 2? At a low temperature, what is the specific heat formula? At a low temperature, specific heat formula is C here. For here also at low temperature also I am going to write, I am going to take these things only. We should not do anything where any operation on these things. Only we have to do operation on exponential terms only. So here it is exponential. Now I am going to not change that one, but here -1 is there. So for this, to this only, I am going to operate it. I am going to do operation on this only. Now see, e power theta e by t. Already we know its expansion as 1 plus theta e by t plus theta e by t square 2 factorial and so on. Next 3 factorial, 4 factorial, cube, like this will come. But low temperature, this term is low. When denominator is low, then final value what happens? Increases. When denominator is low, final term is what happens, their value is what happens? Increases, means higher term will come. So there it is a high term. It is very much high. Very much high terms, what we have to do? We have to neglect it. Okay. So neglecting higher terms, then what you get? Again same thing. Very much high term, no need to add. Simply we have to avoid them. And see here, it is a lower temperature. This term will become high. When denominator is high, final value will decreases. When denominator is low, final value is increases. Means high terms. So this is a high term. Okay. So this is a high term. What happens? This is a very much high. And if you, what happens? If you subtract one value, e power -1 on both sides, do it -1 operation. What happens? No need to do this operation, same thing without doing also. It is very much high without doing this operation. When it is very much high, if you subtract one value from very much high, then what happens? No changes will occur. So that means simply we can write it is approximately as e power theta e by t only. When you subtract one value from very much high term, then what happens? This term will come again. That means this -1, if you, even though if you subtract -1, more changes will not occur. So that is the reason why I have written this as this one. Now substitute this term in the place of this means here and I do it operation. Cv 3n kV theta e by t square e power theta e by e power theta e by t whole square only, right? Why? Because in the place of this total, simply we have write this one. Okay. Now see, r square 1 will get cancelled. Next, Cv 3n kV theta e by t whole square 1 by e power theta e by t. Right? So upside and this one gets cancelled. Now it is in denominator, bring it in numerator. CV, En, kb, theta e by t square e power minus theta e by t. This is the required formula. What we require, this is the formula. So this this CV depends on exponential terms mostly, right? CV depends on exponential term. Now see the graph. Let me draw the graph. So this is we got at a low temperature. Right? At higher temperature is what? CV is equals 3R. At a lower temperature, CV formula is this. At higher temperature, CV formula is this. Now, let me plot a graph between specific heat at constant volume and temperature. We must take temperature on x-axis, specific heat on y-axis. Okay. At higher temperature, when the temperature is increasing, what happens? When it is very much high, then it is specific heat is independent on temperature. So that means it cannot depend. It is at high temperature, right? At higher temperature. But when the temperature is decreasing, see exponential term is there. Okay. So let me take this final term only. E power minus theta e by t. When T is low, at a low temperature, when T is low, what happens? This term is very much high. Just what I said you. When T is low, why it is in denominator? When T is low, this term is high. But to it a minus is attached, then this term is very much low. Then exponential term also decreases. Okay, when temperature is decreases, this term is becomes negative, so that means decreases. So we may get exponentially it decreases. It decreases exponentially. So this is the answer. So what we got in the second case. So it is the first. It is using second case. And it is using first case. That means it is at higher temperature and it is at lower temperature. So when you increase the temperature, then it reaches the maximum value. Then beyond it, specific heat doesn't changes even though temperature rises. But when the temperature decreasing, it gradually it exponentially decreases. Right? Like okay. So this is a Einstein theory of specific heat cases, two cases. Thank you, friends.